and videos also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I have 10 years experience on the Sharepoint and on training part I have 6 years experience. I am working with Saurabh since 2 years. Okay.
Okay.
So this Sharepoint is actually collaboration portal. What is that collaboration is? See, in your university or college or in any company, any organization, you have a few documents, a few images, a few videos to share with your friends and with your team or with your colleagues. Correct? So
Yes.
you are so those things how you can share and how you can manage the things. So actually this Sharepoint started with the document management. Okay. Started with the document management. Document management is nothing but in organization, the teams they want to share their documents with the team members. Okay, that is the purpose. It is started Sharepoint actually. Okay, in the Sharepoint we can share documents as well as content also. What is the content and the document? I will tell you detail. Document management is nothing but documents like Excel, Word, PowerPoint or PDF, anything. Okay. Content is nothing but data. The data is like articles, blogs, news. Okay, these kind of. Have you seen ever that Sharepoint screen?
Yes, sir. I have seen.
Okay, which version you are working right now?
I have seen like 2013, sir, which is also on my computer, which is built in the virtual machine.
Okay, so you have installed virtual machine on your local machine, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, perfect. And so you have Sharepoint environment for the practice purpose, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, today as here I am going to explain that Sharepoint 2016. So are you ready for that?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat it again?
I'm going to explain here Sharepoint 2016 because the Sharepoint 2016 is the recent version. 2013 is that it's a old version. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we are going to train up on that Sharepoint 2016. Okay. So this first of all, I will explain that what are the development roles in that Sharepoint. I will explain. First thing is Sharepoint admin, server admin. Okay. The second part is that Sharepoint power user. The third one is that Sharepoint developer. Okay. I will tell you the difference between these things. These are the roles in the company. Okay.
Okay.
Roles in organization to work. Okay. So Sharepoint server admin is nothing but just like a system admin where the people will work on server to create the Sharepoint sites and to create the to give the permissions to the users, to create the groups. Okay. You have active, Active Directory. You know what is active? Yes. Without know, I think, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will tell you that Active Directory is that directory where users can add and remove and these things. Okay, if you, for example, you have joined in a company, there your company is going to add you their Active Directory, then you will get an user ID and password to log in. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. The Sharepoint server admin, they will do that job, you adding the users and removing the users from the organization, and they will give that apps permission, and they will install the Sharepoint server, they will install the server services, and power user is nothing but he is the main core user. Power user is who is working on that Sharepoint, working in the sense end user. Okay, they will create the lists and libraries and these things. First of all, you have to learn this thing for user concepts. Okay. Later, you can go to the Sharepoint developer. Sharepoint developer is nothing but customizing the Sharepoint sites. Okay.
Okay.
And now you have any doubts on these things?
I'm up to you now. I'm clear with this, sir.
Okay, good. So now we are moving to that SharePoint site. Okay, just a minute. I will open the SharePoint site here. Okay, this is that SharePoint control panel actually. I think you won't see this SharePoint control panel before, right?
Yes, sir. I did not see this.
Okay, this is the SharePoint control panel. Actually, this control panel will be with the SharePoint server administrators. From here only we can create that mails. The SharePoint is the combination of all the business services. First thing you have to remember what is SharePoint. SharePoint is the collaboration tool. Collaboration is nothing but without these mail, calendar, people, and tasks, planner, and these are that office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. Okay, without these apps, SharePoint will not be there, will not be exist. Okay, SharePoint is the combination of all the services which are provided from Microsoft. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the SharePoint we are seeing here in the site format actually. It is like a website. Initially, when the SharePoint is not exists, the people used to share the documents using that shared folders in the networking system. Okay. So what is the drawback with the networking system shared folders? Who is modifying the documents and who is deleting, who is creating? We cannot trace that information. Okay. But using this SharePoint portal, we can trace everything. Who is modifying the document, who is created the document, who is edited the document, and who is deleted the document, and not only the documents and content also. Okay, I will tell you the difference between the content and the document. First of the things, so these are all the services from the SharePoint. Okay, we are going to discuss about the SharePoint, not all these things. Okay, because you know that what is Word, what is Excel, what is PowerPoint, what is OneNote, right?
Yes, sir.
These are all the applications in the SharePoint. Just like planner, tasks, calendar, mail, people. I think these things you aware, right?
Yeah.
If you have any doubts, just you can ask me. Okay, no issues.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Recently they are introduced into the SharePoint Power Apps, Flow, and Sway, and Video, and Delve, and Power BI. These things are added recently. Okay. AMR is just added 2 years back. I will explain later about these things. Okay, in the classes. What are all these services? And still Microsoft is they are adding a few other business apps also. And these are the services you can access anytime from any site using this app launcher. This is called app launcher. Are you seeing this? Just like Android icon.
Yes,
Just
sir.
by clicking on this, these are all the apps. So whenever you open the same site on the mobile, you can see like this, and on website and desktop, you can see like this same. So this is the quick launcher. Just you can say quick launcher for SharePoint portal. Okay, you can go to that apps. I mean services using this quick launcher in any. Okay. So let's go to that. I will tell you in detail later about the SharePoint. Now I am going giving the demo, right? So just I am going forward. Okay. By clicking on the SharePoint, by clicking on the SharePoint, I am moving to the SharePoint portal here. This is that our SharePoint where we will work. Okay. Okay. See, these are the things will be these are the things configuring the mail, configuring the calendar, and all the things back end that system admin and SharePoint admin they do actually. Okay. And we are going to work here on the SharePoint. You will be working on this SharePoint actually. And one more thing you have to remember, in your organization you may not see this kind of screen again. Okay, there will be that design will be changed, and that environment will be changed. That depends on that organization. Okay, and just you have to remember what are the features are available in the SharePoint. Okay, Amarnath.
Okay, sir.
Amarendra, right?
Yes, sir. Amarendra.
Okay, see, for example, any businessman are contacting that one software company. he want a SharePoint site. Okay, so that SharePoint company, that software company, they will come to this location and create a site. Okay, actually SharePoint is very user-friendly tool, easy tool to create a SharePoint site, to create a site within a second, within a minute. Okay. Usually, if you want to develop any website, it will take at least 6 months time. Because why? Because you have to create the backend for that. You have to develop the front-end pages, and you have to create the connection between the backend and front-end, and you have to design that whole site. Okay, that will take time. The Microsoft giving this tool to the businessman and the software company, where they can create the same site in 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Here I am giving that site name. Okay. Amarinder. Amarinder only, right? Your name.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Group email. Okay. Okay. See here, we are giving that options who will be that accessible to this site. Anyone in the organization or only members? I am selecting that anyone in the organization. Okay, right. And this will be the SharePoint site URL. You have to remember. See, Vijay SP234 SharePoint.com is the domain. For example, my company name is Accenture or IBM. That URL will be replaced here. Okay, you got it?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So here we are created on that Microsoft SharePoint cloud machine. So that is the reason it is created like this. I have created already. I will give you the video how you can create your own Office 365 portal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So this will be the URL of the site. If you observe any SharePoint site, you can see this. This will be the your company name, and this will be the folder, and here is your project name. Okay. Here is your project name. Okay. Let's. This is the demo site. This is the description of your project. Okay. And I'm just note down this URL. Okay, next. Okay, this is the demo site. Okay, click on the next. Here we have to give the email address actually. So right now I am giving that email address here, my email address, because I haven't created Amarinder user ID. Okay. So if you want to check who are the people in this organization, just go and click here, and we can see that. Just a minute. If you see the users, who are the active users in that portal, in the SharePoint portal, you can see the user names here. Okay. Okay. See here, admin. Here I have added only one user. Okay. If I create another user, then I can do. We will see in that process. Okay. How to add the users and how we can add users to the SharePoint sites later. Okay. Right now this is the only user. Right now this is the only user we have. Okay, just I am going here and I am giving that username. Okay, whenever you are typing here, it will show here in the drop down box the usernames. Okay, this is for user friendly. Just by selecting the user, he will be the owner for this site, for Amarinder site. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to add members, you can add members also here, and you can add more than one user here. Right now we are added only one user as the owner. Later, once it is created, we can add any time. Right now, while processing this site, I am added only one user. Okay. This user will be the manager for your project, usually in real time. Okay. This is the site. See how simple it is. So just in a 1 minute, we have created a site. You got it? This is the site.
Yes.
And remember, SharePoint sites are they will give the default template like this only. If you want change this color, background, and this branding and the pages, you have to develop your own pages. That is the part of the development. Okay, that is the part of the development. We will discuss in the classes how we will change the background page, colors and alignment of pages and pages and everything. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute. I have a small doubt.
Okay.
Actually, when we create a site, we need to pick a domain name and it should be registered. So, in a regular website, I'm talking about the regular website, we need to pick up a domain name and we need to set all those things. But here we doesn't need to pick any domain or anything. It's automatically when we sign up in the last last modification, when we have created, given a name like this Amarendra, and automatically the site was created, right?
Yes. Yeah, I will tell you this, Amarendra. This is our domain. Okay, that's what I said. If your company is IBM, that URL will come IBM or Accenture.
And this is the site folder name, and this is the site name, right?
Yes. And in this domain name, you will be having your company publishing site like another, that is different. Okay. This is our internal project. This is our main project. For example, some XYZ company, they are going to start a new portal, finance portal, or HR portal, or children portal, something. That is a new project. Okay. So this will be the project name. Okay. So if they want to create that, particular site, they can create immediately using this SharePoint. So this will be your domain name. Under this domain name, these are the sub projects. You got it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I got it.
So the domain and all these things are different concepts. These are not part of the SharePoint. The domain and all those are all actually networking concepts. Okay. So here we have to concentrate as SharePoint guys how the SharePoint features we can provide to the end users. We can deliver to the end users. Okay. So main things here. Right now we have created the SharePoint site. Okay. So this is the home page of the SharePoint site. You can see these all news will come. So these are all that existed news. Okay. And these are all that shared files and lists here. Those all the things will be created soon. Okay. In the left side, you can observe this is the quick launch menu for the SharePoint sites. This is the default layout for the SharePoint site. Okay. Few people, few customers, few clients, if they want to change, then developer will change the layout. Okay. Otherwise, the layout will be like this one. Okay. And you can see the sections like documents. Documents are nothing but you can create in a sense team members or project members or clients and users, they can create their documents. Okay, you know the SharePoint, we can create the documents on website only by clicking on this Word document directly. Actually, this feature is not available in any other services. Microsoft is providing these services. See, whenever you click on the Word document, it will open in browser only. Okay, generally it should open that MS Word on the client machine, correct?
Yes, sir.
So why this feature is given in that SharePoint? Because that customers, they can work from the tablet, they can work from any public machine, they can work from any other device. So whether that MS Office installed or not, that is they no need to bother about that. They can create Word documents and Excel, PowerPoint, anything from their devices. Okay. So this is the way they are providing, they are integrating the MS Office in the SharePoint portal. Okay. This is the sample document for the, okay. Here you can give the document name. Okay. Right. And and this is that auto save document. You no need to save. If you want to save into this your local machine, you can download as a copy. Okay, and you can download as PDF. And this is the new feature giving that open document, open office format ODT. Okay.
Okay.
So, and just go back to this document library by clicking on this umbrella. This is the project name, right?
Yes.
We will discuss all the things again in class. Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Initially, I was said what is the SharePoint? SharePoint is the document management. So here I have created a one document, right? So this document is available on website, and the customers and the clients, they can open this document from any machine and anywhere, right? This is not stored in the local machine, correct? And
Yes.
you can see, and you can trace that when it is created and who is created also. This is that best feature is available in the SharePoint. Generally, these things are not available in the local machines. So that is why the organizations are moving to the SharePoint portal. Every organization, they must have SharePoint portal. Okay, just like Outlook. Okay, and see, just this is the demo for the how you can create the documents on the SharePoint side. Go to home again. Go back to the home. Okay, so this is that our home again, and it will show here that recent activities. Okay, if you want to create your own document libraries or own lists, just go here. Sorry, go here, and here is the add an app. Okay, add an app is nothing but you can create your apps with the existing templates. These are all the existing templates. Okay. You know templates, right? Do you know templates in MS Word and MS PowerPoint?
Yeah, I have known, sir, and also I have seen this sentence guides like this document library custom list task in the 2013 Microsoft.
Yeah, Amarendra, you have to remember this is the advanced version, but the content and the features will not be changed. Okay. SharePoint is always SharePoint. Okay.
Yeah.
So SharePoint is always SharePoint for 2007 to 2016, but the features are added in the 2016. That's it. Extra features.
Yes.
But
Yes, sir. Yes.
But the basic features are same. Okay. Document library, custom list, tasks. These are all the templates.
Okay.
Templates are just like, see, for example, if you are oh, just a minute. I'm opening the MS Word. What are the templates? I will explain. See, here, this is the these are all the templates in MS Word, right?
Yes.
These are all the, so when you want to create a document, you can select a blank document or you can select any template. Using this template, we can save time, right? We can save our time. Just if I want to create a event flyer, season event flyer, just by clicking on this, and I can select this, okay, and I can change the date, event title here. That's it. and I can create easily. And even if I want to change this image, I can add my image here. But I am not designing from the scratch. Correct?
Yes.
Am I correct? So
Yes,
these
sir.
are all the templates. The same way here, SharePoint is giving the templates for the content creation. Okay, you can create announcements, you can create contacts, you can create calendar list, you can create links list, you can create promoted links list. So these are all pre-developed with the columns also. Generally, if you want to create a list, you have to add a columns yourself. For example, I will tell you, this is the custom list, is the basic list like blank, like blank document. Okay, blank document will be delivered with a blank. The same way, that custom list is will be created with a blank. Okay, it will come with only title column. If you created other contact list, a calendar list, it will create with the other extra columns. Okay, this is the test list I am creating here, and create. And Amarendra, that SharePoint 2013 and 2016 both are similar. Okay, you don't need to confuse.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it's just the design, and design in the sense look and feel is changed. That's it. And if you observe that Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 10 all are same, but but the extra features are added, and always the folder is folder, file is file in Windows operating system, right?
Okay, sir.
The same way here, document library and list, always all these are the content of SharePoint. Only the look and feel that is changed. That's it. You have to understand that one. Don't you should not confuse that one. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Right here, I have created test list. Okay. So just go and see here. Test list is showing here. Okay. These are all other libraries pre-developed and pre-configured in the site when we have created the site. Okay. This is our new test site which we have built. Go to this test site and you can see here columns. What is this list? You know, like what is this list? Do you have an idea?
List, sir?
Yes. What is list? Okay. See, list is nothing but is a list of movie names, list of shopping items names, list of your cloth name, right? That is called list. Okay. You can maintain a list in Excel or anywhere. In application development, usually we will maintain that all the lists, I mean data in a database like Oracle or SQL Server. You remember? But if you want to create any list, you should have knowledge on the Oracle scripting or SQL Server. I mean SQL table creation, programming and all. But here in SharePoint, you don't need to have that knowledge. Just by going to the settings and selecting that add an app and selecting the template, and that's it. You can create that list. Here you are not written any program, right, to create the list. Brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm listening. I'm listening.
If you confuse in anything, just ask me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now this is the list. Right now we don't have any document. Any content here. There is nothing to show here. Okay. And, go and add content by clicking on the new. Okay.
Okay.
See here. Now I am adding that some names like see. Okay. And this is that optional attachment. Okay, save it. That item name is added here. See, Amarendra is the one content is added here. This is the one way to create that, and quick edit option is also available. By clicking on the quick edit, you can add a number of, more than one easily. It will open just like Excel. See, you got it?
Yes, sir. Same like the Excel, right?
Yes. This is that advantage for the customers. They can enter easily and fast their data into the list. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is that list. Done. So actually we have given test list here. Here you can give your shopping list, shopping cart name like that, shopping cart, or your stationery like that, and you can maintain all your items. Okay, this is that list. And if you want to add that one more property to this, Amarinder, see here, just add one more property like one more column. This is the title is nothing but the name, and I am adding one more property here. Just a minute, single line of text. This is that. What are these? These are all the data types actually. Number type, no type. You know C++, C, .NET language. You know data type strings, integer, number, float, date. These are the things.
Yes, sir.
The same way here we are having the data types, but here we don't need to write any program. Just by selecting the data type, that's it. We can create the type. Single line of text here, and this is that I am adding that is role. The column name is role. Amrinder, just see, quick edit. Again, I am adding that roles to the each person. Okay.
Yeah.
This is for demo purpose. I'm telling. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I can.
Developer, and here I'm adding this. Okay. So this is the way easily we can add the property to the content here, and we can add one more column also. We can create number of columns here. Okay, and see one more column like location. This is that very easy process. See, imagine if you want to create these kind of structure in Oracle or SQL Server, it will take much time. Correct?
Yes.
And you have to develop backend the table and adding the columns, and again front end also you have to design this web page also you have to design. But in Sharepoint you don't need to do all these things just in a 30 minutes of time. Okay, you remember 30 minutes of time I have created a site, and I have created a list, and I have entered the data also. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is that fastness of Sharepoint. So that is why the organizations are looking for this portal.
Okay.
So this way you can add a number of columns and you can manage all the things. Today we have discussed about the documents and lists. These are the main things. Later, how we can create the pages. Okay, how we can create the pages, and what are the other things are available in Sharepoint, we will discuss step by step. And here, what is that? What is the knowledge you have on the Sharepoint? First, I want to know how much knowledge. What do you know about the Sharepoint?
Actually, the thing I have known regarding the Sharepoint is like it's a central administration. This provides Sharepoint. It provides the direct access to the Microsoft tools, which means directly editing using the Sharepoint portals, and also what are the frameworks like Sharepoint Foundation is 2010 is a basic framework, which is of free license, and after that the Sharepoint Server 2010 is the licensed version, and SharePoint Foundation 2010 is the basic framework for free license. These after that it was developed for 2013, and the new version is like 2016. And what are the hardwares and softwares required for this? I have these are the ideas I have regarding this SharePoint, sir.
Okay, Amarinder, it's good. What do you have that is called, you have SharePoint exposure. Okay, you have exposure knowledge, that's it. So, and one more thing, as a SharePoint guy, you don't need to worry about the control panel and SharePoint foundation, all these things. Okay. And things are changing also. The things are changing also. You have to update everything. Okay, those are all old techniques and old process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now the SharePoint is available on cloud and on premises and on cloud and Azure also. Azure in the sense again it is a cloud platform, but we can create our own SharePoint. Okay. I will share all the documents and materials how you can create your if you are interested. If you are interested, if you
I'm very much keen interested to learn all this.
okay. Why I'm telling you, if you have time to put on the process, if you want to create a SharePoint on Azure and if you want to create an on-premises, these are very difficult process to creating that on-premises and Azure, but easy process is this Office 365. You can create easily SharePoint portal on Office 365. Okay, for the practice purpose. And
yes,
the thing installation and all the things actually those are SharePoint admin jobs. Okay, you are not going as a SharePoint admin. The SharePoint admin, they are from system admin actually. Okay, system admin. Okay. Just like for example, if you are joining in your if you are joining in a company, they will come and install MS Office and Skype and Outlook. That is their job. Okay, you forget about those things. We have to concentrate on that, how to create a list, how to create a library, and how to create the columns, how to create the metadata to the, these are the topics of SharePoint. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So again, how to create the workflows and all these things, how to manage the documents, permissions, how to list permissions. After all this out of box efforts, after you're done with that out of box process, out of box concepts, then you can go to the development. In the development, you have to have knowledge on this, at least this any one of these languages, C# or Java. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I am recommending you JavaScript. Okay, because JavaScript is that right now it's a mainstream platform for any technology, any tool, or any company. Okay, they're using in this JavaScript. You can use that Angular and Node.js and all these things. Okay, these are all advanced tech. These are all advanced topics. Anyway, I will give you the demo with all these things. I will demo in the sense I will explain you how we can develop custom web parts and custom pages through programming, how we can retrieve the list information, document information onto the page. Okay? Okay,
sir.
First of all, we have to concentrate on the out-of-box features of the SharePoint. How we can use each and every option in SharePoint. How you can use. Okay, there are lots of options. If you go to okay, I will earn one more thing. Just a minute. This is my email address. Okay. Okay. And this is my WhatsApp. You can get in touch with this. You can WhatsApp and you can ask your queries. I will reply whenever I have time, and I will share material also. And we will schedule daily meetings and understand. Right today we had a meeting on 9 o'clock, right? Is it okay for you daily 9 o'clock?
Yes, sir. I am very much.
Okay. And what I am thinking, are you okay with I8 also? It's Indian time. I'm asking.